This is the bedroom. It's only me, but they've given me 2 beds. It's not new, but it's fairly clean. And we've got the bathroom, which is a sliding door. A sliding door here. The shower, separated here. The amenities. Things a little bit older here. Has all the basics that we need. And the towels are at the bottom. The TV is a bit small for my liking, but we won't be watching a lot of TV. Got the fridge here. It's not very cold though. Can't feel anything. I've got 2 bottles of water, some cups, nice stuff, tea and coffee. Got 1 chair, and this is the view outside. It's not bad. We are facing the car park though, of the bus depot. The downside of this hotel doesn't have a pool. It does have a gym. The view's not bad. I'm facing the highway. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.